Welcome to Wisdom Stories, a place to find peace and inspiration amidst the daily hustle. Today, we travel to a serene monastery nestled in a bamboo grove, where a young apprentice named Hana seeks guidance from the wise master Wu Chao. Hana's mind feels cluttered, like a dusty attic overflowing with forgotten things. She yearns for inner peace and clarity. Master Wu Chao, known for his gentle wisdom, offers an insightful analogy. Imagine your mind, Hana, as a beautiful temple. Over time, incense smoke, fallen leaves, and accumulated thoughts can cloud its pristine halls. Master Wu Chao leads Hana to the garden, where a gentle breeze carries away the spent cherry blossoms. Master Wu Chao said, "The mind, like this tree, can learn to let go. Through meditation, focus on your breath. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment, then gently release them, like these falling blossoms carried by the wind." Hana diligently practices this technique. During meditation, she observes her thoughts swirling around her, anxieties, regrets, and desires. With each exhale, she visualizes releasing them, letting them drift away like wisps of smoke. Days turn into weeks, and a transformation takes place. The relentless chatter in Hana's mind begins to subside. The temple within her feels lighter, bathed in a newfound sense of serenity. But what can we learn from Hana's story and apply to our own lives, filled with constant information overload and digital distractions? Here are some key takeaways. Mind as a temple. Think of your mind as a sacred space that needs regular cleaning. Schedule short meditation sessions throughout your day to refresh your focus and achieve inner peace. Observe, don't judge. Don't get caught up in the storm of thoughts. Acknowledge them like passing clouds and let them go without judgment. Letting go is key. Practice letting go of unwanted thoughts through mindful breathing. Imagine them drifting away with each exhale. Meditation as a tool. Regular meditation is a powerful tool for cleaning your mind. Focus on your breath as an anchor to detach from intrusive thoughts. Constant practice is essential. Just like dust accumulates, thoughts will return. The key is consistent practice in letting them go. Peace within the flow. Modern life is a constant current of stimuli. Aim for peace amidst the mental current, not a complete stoppage of thoughts. Now, let's translate these ancient wisdom teachings into practical steps for our modern lives. Micro-meditations. Can't spare a lot of time? Take short mindfulness breaks throughout your day. Focus on your breath for a few minutes during your commute or while waiting in line. Digital detox. Feeling overwhelmed? Schedule breaks from social media and technology. Give your mind space to breathe and reconnect with the present moment. Mindful activities. Integrate mindfulness into daily tasks. Focus on the sensations of washing dishes, walking, or doing chores. Nature connection. Spend time in nature. Take a walk in the park, listen to the sounds of birds, or simply gaze at the clouds. Remember, the key is not to eliminate thoughts, but to learn to let them go. With consistent effort, you too can cultivate a clean and peaceful mind, fostering greater focus, reduced stress, and increased well-being in your daily life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of wisdom. We invite you to explore more stories and discover the path to inner peace. In the comments below, share your own experiences with quieting your mind. What techniques have worked for you? We'd also love to hear how you translate these ancient wisdom teachings into your modern life.